Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. So in my last video, I left a comment saying that my external hard drive broke while I was traveling in Thailand, and it had a lot of my pictures and videos in there, so that's why I haven't been uploading. So basically what happened was the flat side of the hard drive kind of smacked the side of the table and it started making this doot doot sound. And I didn't think the impact was all that bad, but it was bad enough to break it. And I wasn't expecting my hard drive to be as fragile as people's feelings nowadays, but it's my first time breaking a hard drive. So I was asking my friends for advice, like, can I fix it? Is there a way to salvage it? And they all gave me the same answer. Oh, it kind of sucks for you, man. And it really felt like that South Park episode, you know, oh, so you want to transfer all your travel videos and pictures from your SD card into your external hard drive and it's gone. It really felt like that for a little bit. And I was getting ready to emotionally part ways with everything I had inside, but part of me was just not ready to give up. So I started doing some research on data recovery. And what I found out was a lot of data recovery services will cost you anywhere north of $1,000 until I came across this website called $300 Data Recovery. Now, at first I was kind of skeptical because of the price, but after reading reviews from different sources, I decided to give it a try. So this video is not sponsored by $300 Data Recovery, but it's more like my experience for using their services. So this is how it went. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to their website, $300datarecovery.com, and begin your data recovery. And no, I am not going to sub cookies. But initially you want to fill out the rate calculator to see how much it's going to cost. It's like a quote. They're going to ask you a series of very basic questions. So for example, like, was the cover of your hard drive open? The size of your hard drive? Is it an internal or external? Is it a desktop or portable? So everyone's situation is going to be different, so just fill it out according to what your situation is. Now, this company is located in Studio City down in Los Angeles, so if you do live close by, you can drop it off. But for me, since I'm in San Francisco, I gotta ship it to them, which will cost some shipping fees. And you also have the option to provide your own transfer drive, which is cheaper probably, but you can also buy one from them. It's more expensive, but the convenience. So this is like a quote. And again, this is not the final price, it's just the initial diagnosis of it. They might charge you more depending on what they find. And once you're done with the rate calculator, you want to fill out the chances questionnaire because some hard drives are just so broken beyond repair that it's not even worth it. So once again, they have a series of very basic questions, so just answer according to what your situation is. Like, where did the device come from? Have you tried using a different service? Has the metal part cover been opened? Did you drop it? Is that why you broke it? Does it spin when you powered it on? Was there smoke when powered on? Now, if there's smoke, then probably you won't be able to fix it. And you can also describe in detail some of the things you see. And is there any notes or comments? Yes, please subscribe to Jack's Off to another adventure. You guys should too. And last, they will ask you for your personal information and also your email. So if they determine that they can't save your hard drive, they will send you a confirmation email along with the ticket number. If you're like me and you have to mail in your hard drive, they also remind you not to skimp out on bubble wraps and wrap it up real tight to prevent any further damage. Once they receive your hard drive, they will email you to let you know, and they will continue emailing you whenever they have any updates. In my case, it was explained to me that the head of the hard drive broke, so they needed to swap the head with a donor hard drive. They also explained that due to possible plaster damage, they will only be able to retrieve roughly 75% of the data if successful. They informed me about the price of the donor drive and won't proceed until they get my approval and, of course, the payment. After I paid for the donor drive, it took about a week and a half for them to do their magic. And once they were done, they sent me another email confirming my shipping address, and a few days later, I received my original hard drive along with a new hard drive with whatever files they were able to extract. All in all, the entire process took about 3 weeks. The company is called $300 Data Recovery, but how much did I actually pay? The service itself was $300. The donor drive for the head swap was $163. I ordered a new 2TB hard drive from them, which they charged $105. Like I mentioned before, you do have the option to send in your own hard drive, and I could have saved myself like $40 if I did, but I was kind of impatient. And along with shipping and taxes, I paid a little bit less than $600 in total. And keep in mind, the price will be different depending on your situation. So once again, this video is not a commercial for $300 data recovery. It's more like me sharing my experiences, so for those of you who unfortunately do break your hard drive, you can use this video as a reference. Now, for those of you who do have experience with data recovery, did I find a good deal? Or did I get scammed like a motherfucker? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, in terms of my experience dealing with this company, it was actually very pleasant. They were very transparent with their procedure, and every time they had an update, they notified me so I know what the hell's going on. Now, the good news is they were able to recover roughly 75% of my files. And I know earlier I was saying that, I was ready to part ways with it, but some of these travel videos and pictures are just too nice to let go of. And now I can share it with you guys. So thank you, $300 data recovery. The bad news is some of the crucial files, the video files, are gone, lost forever, and it's gone. So in regards to vlogging and making videos, I'm gonna have to find a creative way to tell the story using whatever files I have left. So it's actually not bad news, it's actually good for my personal development. Now I have to be more creative, so yeah, good news for personal growth. All right, so before I end this video, I just want to say, guys, when you're traveling with an external hard drive, take good care of it or have a backup. For me, I thought it was a simple love tap, but it almost became the love tap of death. And that was actually very fortunate because they were able to recover 75% of my files. In some cases, broken hard drives are gone. It's gone. So yeah, now with this beautiful sunset, I think it's time for me to go back home to create some content. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, jacks off.